Get ready to be amazed, cause this stop scrolling right now you is officially taking over the internet. You seriously need to see this. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the design is pure genius. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly an absolute lifesaver for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss